This is the affiliate list where all your affiliates can be found. You can see their date of registration, the referral ID, email they used when signing up, their name, status, and country of their origin. By clicking anywhere on the row, you can open an affiliate's profile. Now I will approve the affiliate's access to the system by changing his status to enabled. Let's check another affiliate. This one's profile has more data. You can see that he has also provided billing details where his commissions will be paid. You can edit not only billing details, but also payment methods. Whenever you need to communicate with your affiliates en masse, you can use our built-in messaging feature. Enter your subject, send the message to either all affiliates or just the ones that are enabled or disabled, or even select a few individual affiliates that should get your message. Insert the body of the email and press send. Here you can find an overview of previously sent messages and see what emails were sent to which affiliates.